All right, you guys, right here we have the 2024 GT, and I'm going to show you some things you probably did not know about this car. Let's get into it. Number one is the key. That's the Ford GT right there, and this is a generic Ford key. It's essentially the same thing. The only difference on the front is that the Ford GT key has less buttons. Number two is people mostly expect the trunk to be up there, but it's really back there behind the engine. So if we take a look, here it is, you guys. And yes, it is pretty small, but keep in mind, the engine's right there. Number three is there is no way to change your seat position. With that being said, if you can't reach the pedals, the only way of changing your seat position is moving the pedals themselves. You do have the option of moving them forward and backwards so you can actually reach them. Number four is the drive selector. So as you can see, you have park, reverse, neutral, drive, and manual mode. You can select which drive mode you want by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise, and if you want to go into manual mode, you click the button on the top. Number five is putting the car into track mode. First things first, we have to start the car. Next, we're going to select track mode over here. It's going to warn us that it's going to dump the car 50 millimeters, and then we press OK to make it happen. So here's what the track display looks like. And if we take a look, the car is actually 50 millimeters lower. It's absolutely slammed. Number six is the car comes with titanium Akrapovic exhaust from the factory. And last but not least, we have the mirrors being put in different places. Now you're probably wondering what I mean by that. Now when developing the Ford GT, because of the driver's position, they had to move that mirror further back than this mirror just so the driver can actually see. You can't really tell at first glance, but once you see the difference between the space in this mirror and the space in this mirror, you really can't unsee it. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed those fun facts about the Ford GT.